Hello guys, welcome to iSpecs, and this video is on how to reduce video size without compromising on losing quality. And before getting started, please subscribe to iSpecs for informative tech videos. Video files can be very large and that can be a problem for uploading and hosting. Unless you need the highest resolution possible, making video files smaller is better for everyone. They reduce bandwidth usage and upload time, and there is a less buffering on your viewer's end. But how do you easily reduce the size of a video? So here is a friendly solution for it. Just follow my steps. So first you need to download Handbrake by clicking the link available in the description below. Handbrake is a powerful software and is free to download and use. Install it after downloading is done, then open it. Drag the video file and drop it into the Handbrake. After that, select output preset. In my case it's 1080p and 30 fps. You can also customize output parameters here under video tab. Then select destination folder and finally click on render. That's it. Once it is finished rendering, you're done. You can see there is a huge and significant changes in before and after compressing files, and of course no noticeable changes in quality. Hope you found this video useful. Like it if you do and comment down if you have any issues with it. Please subscribe to iSpecs for informative tech videos and also turn on notifications so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.